Have you ever wondered why turmeric milk is often referred to as golden milk? Well, it's because this soothing beverage is a treasure trove of health benefits wrapped up in the comfort of a warm cup. For centuries, this golden elixir has been a traditional nightcap in various cultures, and its popularity is only growing. The magic lies in turmeric's key compound, curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So, let's dive into the myriad health benefits of this golden elixir. So, what makes this humble cup of turmeric milk so powerful? Well, the answer lies in the potent combination of turmeric's health benefits and the comforting warmth of milk. Let's explore these benefits one by one. First up, improved sleep. The calming properties of turmeric milk can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. The warm milk soothes the digestive system, creating a sense of comfort that can help you fall asleep more easily. Next, reduced inflammation. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking turmeric milk can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is particularly beneficial for those with joint pain or arthritis. Third, enhanced digestion. Turmeric milk promotes healthy digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort. The warmth of the milk relaxes the muscles in the digestive tract, further aiding digestion. Fourth, boosted immunity. The antioxidants in turmeric strengthen the immune system, providing an additional layer of protection against infections and illnesses. It's like having your very own health shield. Fifth, liver detoxification. Studies have shown that turmeric supports liver health and assists in detoxifying the body. It helps the liver remove toxins more effectively, keeping your body clean from the inside out. And lastly, reduce stress and anxiety. After a long, busy day, a cup of turmeric milk can help reduce stress and anxiety. Its soothing properties provide a calming effect, allowing you to relax and unwind before bed. Making turmeric milk is a breeze. All you need to do is add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of warm milk, dairy or non-dairy. Throw in a pinch of black pepper for better absorption of curcumin. For a touch of sweetness, you can add honey or a cinnamon stick for extra flavor. But how do you make this magical drink? Well, that's a story for another scene. For now, just remember that a cup of turmeric milk at bedtime can be a simple yet powerful way to boost your health and wellness. With its soothing effects and numerous benefits, it's a nighttime ritual that can make your body thank you 1,000,000 times over. Creating this golden potion at home is easier than you think. Begin with 1 cup of warm milk. This can be dairy or plant-based, depending on your preference. The warmth of the milk is key in ensuring that the turmeric blends well and also enhances its soothing effect. Next, you'll need a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This humble spice is where the magic lies. It's packed with curcumin, a compound renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now here's a secret ingredient: a pinch of black pepper. You might be wondering, why black pepper? Well, black pepper contains piperine, a compound that significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin in our bodies. So don't skip this step. Stir all the ingredients together until well mixed. If you fancy a touch of sweetness, add a drizzle of honey or perhaps a cinnamon stick for an extra layer of flavor. And there you have it. Your cup of golden milk is ready to work its wonders. Why should you consider making this a part of your bedtime routine? Turmeric milk, or as some people like to call it, golden milk, is more than just a warm, comforting beverage. It's a powerful concoction that brings together the benefits of turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and the soothing warmth of milk. It's like a comforting hug in a cup, preparing your body and mind for a restful night's sleep. Every sip of this golden potion contributes to your overall health and wellness. It eases you into a state of relaxation, calming your nerves and reducing stress. Just what you need after a long day. Its anti-inflammatory properties work their magic, helping to relieve joint pain and inflammation, making it an ideal drink for those with arthritis. But that's not all. Turmeric milk is also a boon for your digestive system. It eases discomfort, reduces bloating, and the warmth of the milk can help relax the muscles in your digestive tract, promoting better digestion. The antioxidants in turmeric strengthen your immune system, providing an added layer of protection against infections and illnesses. And let's not forget the role turmeric plays in supporting liver health and detoxification, helping your body rid itself of toxins more effectively. Incorporating turmeric milk into your bedtime routine is as simple as it is beneficial. It's a soothing ritual that not only promotes better sleep, but also contributes to overall health and well-being. Drinking a cup of turmeric milk at bedtime is a simple yet powerful ritual that can truly make your body thank you 1,000,000 times.